How long does it take?
You'll see it.
About 20
Are
seconds.
you filming it?
Yeah.
This place like you should throw it on the road.
No, watch. Watch, it's bubbling up now. Watch it go all deformed and shit. Hopefully it'll work. Yeah, look, see how it's gone all smoky? Yeah. Watch this shit cut. So it's gone all deformed now.
It's gonna burn through before it blows.
Now look, it's gone all deformed. Look at the leg! See where that other one is?
Yeah.
It's all melted to the road.
Yeah, it's looking to it.
Look how long it's got it!
What the fuck? Wow. Look at the bottom of it.